Hey, it's Mr. Senhauser here, coming to you to bring you a video math lesson that you can watch whenever you want to watch it. So today's lesson is from the math book. It is, I have the paper version right here. It is chapter 14, lesson number 2, and it is all about patterns and number rules. So let me go on back up here a little bit. So we have these numbers here, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, does it? 1, 6, 12, 2. So what's going on here? Well, we actually have a little problem that goes along with this, so I'm going to go ahead and read it to you. So listen up. It says, there are 6 juice boxes in 1 pack, 12 in 2 packs, and 18 in 3 packs. How many juice boxes are in 4 packs? How many in 5 packs? 6 packs. Use a rule or use the rule to complete the table. Describe features of the pattern. Then find how many juice boxes are in 10 packs and 100 packs. Now, boys and girls, you might be saying, some of you are like, I already got it figured out, Mr. Senhauser. Well, you know what? I think we need to think about this lesson a little bit. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to put on, if you've ever heard the expression, I'm going to put on my thinking cap. Well, I have a hat today that I'm going to call my thinking cap. It helps me think. So we have a number here, and it says there's a 1 and a 6. And then in 2 packs, there's 12. And in 3, there's 18. Well, I wonder how many would be in the 4th pack. Well, if I look at my pattern here, now some of you have already figured it out, but just take your time. I have a 1 and a 6. Now, I could say, well, it's almost like this number goes in and this number goes out. So the number is getting bigger. It goes from 1 to 6. Now, if it's getting bigger, I could be adding, but then, let's see, 1 plus what gets me 6? Oh yeah, 5. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. But see, if I say plus 5 for the first one, I have to do plus 5 for the second one. So 2 plus 5 does not equal 12. So it can't be addition. Can anybody out there think 1 times what gets me 6? Multiplication. Wait a minute. 1 times 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Well, let's see if that works also for the second one. 2 times 6 equals 12. Let's see if it works for the third one. 3 times 6 equals 18. That seems to, so I'm going to write up here 1 times 6 equals 12. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. Well, let's put it down here. What is 4 times 6? Do you know the answer? What's that? Oh yeah, 24. How about 5 times 6? That's right, 30. And how about 6 times 6? Oh, that's one a lot of the kids know. 6 times 6 is 36. So we would say for this problem, the pattern or the rule is multiply by 6 or times 6. Well, how about 10? 10 times what equals? Well, if I have 10 packs of the juice, how many juices would that be? Oh, wait a minute. It's going to be 10 times 6, and that equals what? Oh, yeah. It equals 60. What about 100? I don't know if you can see or not. What about 100? I'll put that up here. You can't see it. It's cool. What would 6 times, or 100 times 6 be? It'd be 600. That's right. Okay. Let's go on to the other chart over here. There, we go ahead and have a 3, but it goes to 1. So is it getting bigger or is the number getting smaller? Oh yeah, it's getting smaller. So in goes a 3, but out goes a 1. In goes a 3, out goes a 1. The number is getting smaller. So it could be -2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So -2 could be the rule. But wait a minute. Wait a minute. Would that work down here? 6 minus 2 is 4. So -2 can't work. Can you think of anything else we could do to go from 3 to 1? 3 to 1. And it would also go from 3 to 2. Think for yourself. Addition and multiplication won't work. What could it be? Oh, wait a minute. What was that? Division? Yeah, division would work. How about 3 divided by 3? Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3, hey, that's 2. What about 9 divided by 3? Is that? As a matter of fact, it is 3. What if I said 15? What if I started with 15? For this pattern, what would it be? Oh yeah, it'd be 5. So for this set of numbers, 3, 6, 9, it would be 1, 2, 3, would be divided by 3. So our lesson today was all about patterns and looking at these numbers and figuring out what operation we can do to complete the pattern. Hey, the rest of the lesson is going to be on this, and you can do some other problems just like this. But hey, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I enjoyed doing it for you. And do your best on the math lesson. Do the best you can. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait till I see you again. So until then, God bless.